Craving something creamy, zesty, and loaded with seafood? Today we're making lemon pepper seafood pasta in under 20 minutes. Cook your pasta until perfectly al dente. Sauté shrimp and scallops with garlic, butter, and a touch of olive oil. Add cream, fresh lemon juice, and plenty of lemon pepper seasoning. Toss in your pasta and coat it in that rich citrusy sauce. Top with parsley and parmesan and enjoy every bite. Looking for a creamy, comforting meal in one pan? This creamy Tuscan white bean skillet is rich, easy, and ready fast. Sauté garlic in olive oil until fragrant. Add white beans and a splash of broth for flavor. Stir in cream, Italian herbs, and a pinch of chili flakes. Toss in fresh spinach and let it wilt into the sauce. Finish with parmesan and serve with crusty bread. So good. Need a quick, healthy dinner that tastes amazing? This jumbo shrimp and asparagus is ready in just 15 minutes. Season jumbo shrimp with salt, pepper, and paprika. Sear shrimp in olive oil until pink and juicy. Add asparagus and garlic. Sauté until tender crisp. Finish with butter, fresh lemon juice, and a hint of chili flakes. Simple, healthy, and packed with flavor. Enjoy. One pan, big flavor, and almost no cleanup. This sheet pan lemon artichoke chicken is fresh, easy, and delicious. Season chicken with salt, pepper, garlic, and Italian herbs. Add artichokes and fresh lemon slices to the pan. Drizzle with olive oil and toss to coat. Bake until the chicken is juicy and perfectly golden. Bright, zesty, and super easy, dinner is served. Fresh, zesty, and ready in minutes. This lemon asparagus pasta is light, simple, and delicious. Cook pasta until perfectly al dente. Sauté garlic in olive oil until fragrant. Add asparagus and cook until tender crisp. Toss with pasta, fresh lemon juice, and zest. Top with parmesan, light, bright, and so good. Potato salad, but make it crispy. This crispy buffalo potato salad is spicy, creamy, and addictive. Roast or air fry potatoes until golden and crispy. Toss hot potatoes in buffalo sauce for that bold flavor. Mix a creamy dressing with mayo, ranch, and spices. Combine with celery for crunch and mix it all together. Spicy, crispy, creamy, this is next-level potato salad. Creamy, garlicky, and packed with flavor, this creamy pesto shrimp is ready in just 15 minutes. Season shrimp with salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika. Sear shrimp in olive oil until perfectly pink. Add garlic and cream for a rich, smooth base. Mix in pesto and let the sauce come together. Serve over pasta or rice. Creamy perfection. Comfort food doesn't get better than this. This creamy beef and shells is rich, cheesy, and so easy. Cook pasta shells until perfectly tender. Brown ground beef with garlic until flavorful. Stir in tomato sauce, cream, and your favorite seasonings. Add cheese and pasta, then mix until creamy and smooth. Cheesy, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. This butter beef is so tender and rich, it literally melts in your mouth. Start by searing beef chunks in a hot pan until golden brown on all sides. Remove the beef, then melt butter and sauté garlic and onion until fragrant. Return the beef to the pan and pour in beef broth for deep flavor. Season with paprika, salt, and pepper, then let it simmer slowly. Add a splash of cream for that rich, silky butter sauce. Watch the sauce thicken and coat every piece of beef. Serve hot and enjoy the ultimate buttery comfort dish. Need a quick, cheesy dinner everyone will love? This cheesy ground beef is a game changer. Start by cooking ground beef with chopped onion and garlic until browned and juicy. Season with paprika, salt, and pepper for bold, savory flavor. Pour in rich tomato sauce and let it simmer until thick and delicious. Now the best part, add plenty of cheddar and mozzarella cheese on top. Cover and let it melt into gooey, cheesy perfection. Serve it hot with pasta, rice, or toasted bread. Quick, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. Try it tonight.